very much.
There's your Hornet, I think.
Another great look at the Sabre. Folks, take a look around after and during the show for the guys.
Here's the Hornet coming over right over you.
There's about 5 or 6 of us here. 23 on the team altogether. You know, some great support for the civilian industry.
Come right over the top here.
Flying the jet right now, supported by NRC. All of our companies giving us time off. Your announcer today, Mr. Dominic Sion. Here comes the Hornet. Dominic, supported by Air Canada, myself by Wes, got some great forward-looking companies, and of course I know we have a lot of folks here from Discovery Air.